People across Quetta looked up in awe. A glowing, UFO-shaped cloud floating silently above the mountains. But what they saw wasn't a spaceship. It was something far more fascinating. A lenticular cloud, one of nature's most mysterious sky formations. Lenticular clouds, or altocumulus lenticularis, are lens-shaped clouds that form high in the atmosphere. Their smooth, curved shape looks almost artificial. That's why people often mistake them for UFOs. These clouds form when moist air flows over mountains, like those around Quetta, and is forced upward. As it rises, it cools and condenses, creating these still, saucer-like clouds. Quetta's unique geography, surrounded by high mountain ridges, makes it the perfect stage for lenticular clouds. When cold western winds sweep in from Iran or Afghanistan and hit these ranges, the air waves above create the conditions for this beautiful phenomenon. Here's the science, when the air passes over a mountain, it moves in waves, up and down. At the crest of these waves, moisture condenses into clouds. As air descends again, it warms, and the clouds vanish. The result? Stationary, lens-shaped clouds that appear frozen in the sky. Sometimes these waves create multiple layers, forming a breathtaking stack of clouds that look like floating domes. While photographers love them, pilots fear them. Lenticular clouds are signs of strong winds and turbulence, dangerous for aircraft. Beneath their calm appearance, powerful air currents swirl invisibly. But for those on the ground, they offer a magnificent display, especially at sunrise or sunset when they glow orange, red, or pink against the blue sky. Every time these clouds appear over Quetta, they remind us of the beauty and power of nature, how invisible winds and moisture can paint masterpieces across the sky. They are not UFOs, not omens, just the earth breathing, showing us that science itself can be spectacular. If you enjoyed learning about this rare sky phenomenon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Chronicles for more stories where science meets wonder.